During the course of the week, these students put in 8 hours. They do 2 different 4-hour shifts. So they could work from midnight until 3 in the morning if they wanted to. They also did a series of trainings. For example, on the suicide training, they did 2 8-hour days where they had to go in and do face-to-face training and actually respond to different scenarios. They did 40 hours worth of work online in terms of substance abuse, so they could learn how to help people who are grappling with those types of issues. They also did training on domestic violence. So they've done these series of components that have been standardized and now are used internationally and nationally in terms of dealing with these populations. I think, again, because the students came in sort of a gradual way. It's sort of going in the shallow end of the pool. They didn't jump into the deep end. So they started out initially taking a tour and really having in-depth discussion with me and with others about what their experience here would entail, and seeing the crisis center. Then they started doing gradual training. So they went over a period of time where they learned how to do one skill set, and once that was mastered, they moved up to another level of call, which was yet more demanding. So everything's been monitored. I think one of the neat things about the Crisis Center is that the headsets that they wear, it allows people here at the Crisis Center who supervise them 24/7 to be able to intercept a phone call and coach them behind the scenes. So the caller who's calling in, they don't know that somebody else is working with the students, making sure that the right words are coming out. So students never left to flounder. A student can go ahead and use their training, use the skills that they've learned in class and through the trainings, and be able to get coached in real time if necessary to make sure that everyone's needs are met. So it's really a win-win situation for the Crisis Center, the students at the University of South Florida, and for me professionally as a professor. It's really fun.